Do you want to look younger or older than your real age? Believe it or not, the little things you do every day can slowly change the way you look without you even noticing. Some habits seem harmless, but over time, they speed up aging, making you look older than you really are. Today, we'll uncover 7 daily habits that can secretly make you look 10 years older, and more importantly, we'll also share simple ways to fix them. Stay tuned, take notes if you need to, and let's learn how to age gracefully starting now. Number 1. Not getting enough sleep. Sleep isn't just rest, it's when your body heals itself. While you sleep, your skin builds new collagen and repairs damage from the day. But if you regularly miss sleep, your skin shows it. You may get puffy eyes, dark circles, dull tone, and fine lines. Lack of sleep also increases stress, which affects your hormones and skin health. Over time, this adds years to your appearance. To fix this, create a sleep-friendly routine. No screens an hour before bed, avoid caffeine late in the day, and try to sleep and wake up at the same time daily. Your skin will thank you. Number 2. Too much sun exposure. The sun might feel good, but too much of it speeds up aging more than anything else. UV rays break down your skin's collagen, causing sagging, wrinkles, and sunspots. This is known as photoaging, caused by sunlight. You don't have to avoid the sun completely. Just protect yourself. Apply broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every day, even when it's cloudy. Wear a wide hat, sunglasses, and try to stay in the shade during the strongest sunlight hours, between AM and PM. Consistent protection keeps your skin youthful, smooth, and even-toned. Number 3. Poor diet. Too much sugar or junk food. What you eat becomes your skin. Diets high in sugar, fried foods, and processed snacks increase inflammation in the body. This speeds up aging and breaks down collagen, your skin's support system. You might notice more pimples, oily or dry skin, and a lack of glow. To look younger, eat foods that fight aging. Fill your plate with fruits, vegetables, lean protein, nuts, and drink plenty of water. Look for foods rich in vitamins A, C, and E, which protect and repair your skin. Think of your skin as a garden, it needs the right nutrients to bloom. Number 4. Smoking or too much alcohol. Smoking reduces oxygen in your blood, leaving your skin pale, dry, and weak. Over time, it causes deep wrinkles around the lips and eyes. It also slows down healing, so your skin ages faster. Alcohol dehydrates your body and steals essential nutrients like vitamin A, which helps your skin renew itself. Even a few drinks a week can add dullness to your face. If you want to glow naturally, avoid smoking, and keep alcohol to a minimum. Try replacing these habits with healthier stress relievers like yoga, walking, or journaling. Your face will start to show the difference. Number 5. Not drinking enough water. Hydration is your skin's best friend. When you don't drink enough water, your skin becomes dry, rough, and loses its natural bounce. Dehydrated skin also looks more tired and can exaggerate wrinkles. Water helps flush out toxins, smoothen your skin, and keep it glowing from the inside. Aim for 8 glasses daily, but more if you're sweating or in a hot climate. Pro tip: carry a reusable water bottle, add lemon or cucumber slices for taste, and make sipping water a regular habit. Number 6. Constant stress and worry. Stress isn't just mental, it shows up on your skin too. When you're constantly anxious, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that breaks down collagen and increases oil production. This can lead to wrinkles, acne, and tired eyes. It's impossible to avoid stress completely, but you can manage it. Take short breaks during your day. Breathe deeply. Spend time with people you love. Go for walks in nature or listen to calming music. Even smiling more often helps. A calm mind creates a calm face, and that's the real beauty. Number 7. Not moving your body. No exercise. Staying still too long, like sitting at a desk all day, slows down your blood circulation. Your skin misses out on oxygen and nutrients, making it look dull and lifeless. Regular movement helps your body release toxins, boosts your mood, and gives your skin a fresh, natural glow. You don't need to run a marathon, just walk, stretch, dance, or do yoga for a few minutes daily. An active body leads to a youthful face. The best beauty trick? Keep moving. Looking young doesn't come from a magic product, it comes from your daily choices. These habits may seem small, but they shape how you look and feel. Start with one change at a time. Get better sleep, protect your skin, eat well, and move a little each day. You don't need perfection, just consistency. Take care of yourself now, and your future self will look back and smile.